great way to warm up muscle tissue and get the blood flowing, as well as down-regulate the nervous system before working out or stretching. I do want to let you know that when you are foam rolling, you are not breaking up adhesions or scar tissue or anything like that. It really is just lubricating the area, moving the fascial system, so that's bringing fluid in, allowing blood to take toxins out, and like I said, down regulating the nervous system because of the pressure from the foam roller. In this video, I'm going to go through a sequence for foam rolling the lower extremity. You can do this as part of a recovery program or as a warm-up. You're going to start in a sitting position, and I like to start down at my calf because of the way that I move through the sequence. You're going to use the leg that's not being foam rolled to support you, as well as both of your hands, as you just roll your body back and forth over the foam roller. For the calf muscle, you don't necessarily just want to go in the middle. You want to turn that leg to the outside as well as to the inside to get movement between the gastroc and the soleus muscles. I roll 8 to 10 times before I move to another area. The next thing I do is I move the foam roller up to the hamstring. I roll down to the knee and then up to the top of the hamstring. Again, I'm supporting my weight through my arms as well as the opposite foot. I'm going to roll 8 to 10 times. We're just warming up the muscles here. After you finish on the hamstring, you're going to come onto the side. This can be a trickier position, but you're going to get on the side of that leg, cross this leg over again so it's supporting you. You're pushing up through the arm, and you're going to roll up and down the IT band. Now, this is a very sensitive area for a lot of people. You can modulate the pressure by how much you push and unweight your body. Okay? You're going to roll from the top of the hip all the way down to the top of the knee. Again, 8 to 10 times up and down before moving to the next area. After I finish with the IT band, I switch. I'm going to switch to the other leg so that you can see, over to the quad or the front leg muscle. Rolling to the top of the hip and then to the top of the knee. Again, 8 to 10 times. Foam rolling is a great way to warm up the muscles, get them moving, bring blood to them before participating in a stretching program or active recovery program or even a workout.